This is one of the most delicious things I've made this year so far. It's a savory scone skillet. It has the best ingredients: feta cheese, olives, Zatar mix, fresh oregano, sesame seeds, and more. I can't even describe the texture and the flavors. Let me show you how to make it. You're gonna start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, 4 tablespoons of Zatar mix. This is homemade and it smells heavenly. I add some toasted sesame seeds. Mix all the dry ingredients. You're gonna add some more stuff. Add 1 spring onion, fresh oregano. These are washed, dried, and roughly chopped. Add the creamiest feta cheese you can find. You can also add Panela cheese if you like. Add your favorite black olives. Now you're gonna mix 1 egg with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Mix well and start adding on top of the flour mixture. You want it to come together. You don't want any flour left inside the bowl, but you don't want to knead the dough or mix it too much. You might need to add a touch more heavy whipping cream depending on the flour. I added 3 more tablespoons. That's all the mixing you're gonna do. You just want the dough to come together nicely. Move to a 9-inch skillet, but make sure to grease with olive oil or butter. You're gonna finish with a touch of heavy whipping cream, 1 stick of melted or room temperature butter. Spread all over. You can add some more feta cheese if you like. You're gonna bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until it's golden. I can have this scone every single day. It's so good. Give it a try. Recipe in the caption. Let me know if you try it. I'd love to hear from you. And bon appetit!